There are a few ways to add vertical lines to your document depending on what you're trying to do, and in this video, we'll teach you how to do each of them. Adding vertical lines with the Drawing tool. Click Insert at the top of the screen. Navigate to Drawing New. A drawing box will appear on the screen. Click the Line button in the toolbar. Draw a vertical line with your mouse or trackpad. Hold down Shift key while drawing to force your line to be straight. Edit your line using the tools in the drawing box toolbar. Click Save and Close when you're done. The line will be automatically added to your document and will be inserted wherever your cursor was when you opened the drawing menu. Adding vertical lines with paragraph borders. Highlight the text you want the vertical line next to. Click Format on the top of the screen. Navigate to Paragraph Styles, then Borders and Shading. A new window will pop up that has options for the borders around your paragraph. Click the left or right border option. This will add a vertical border next to your paragraph. Edit your line settings. Click Apply when done. The vertical line will be added to your document. Inserting a vertical line between columns. Highlight the text you want to make into columns. Click Format on the top of the screen. Navigate to Columns, then More options. Choose the number of columns you want and the spacing between them. Check the Line Between Columns option. This will add a vertical line between your columns. Click Apply. Your text will be organized into columns and there will be a vertical line between your columns. Adding vertical lines. Using tables. Navigate to Insert, then Table. Create a table. Hold down Shift and select the table borders you don't want. The borders will turn blue when they have been selected. Click the Border Width button and change the width to 0 point. The borders will now be invisible, leaving only the vertical line. Or select the border that turned into your vertical line and edit the width and line color. Add text to the table cells. The vertical line will grow with the amount of text added to the table. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.